Good morning guys, and welcome to this YouTube video I guess. I'm sorry I haven't been around a lot. It's been really busy since my last review, and I've been wanting to do a review video for a long time. And I'm not sure if you can see in this sunlight, I haven't started to grow a beard. I've been growing a beard for a while, but trimming it on and off. In December, I got a wonderful package from a group who do beard oils. Now, I don't usually get requests for doing review videos because I've only ever done one in my lifetime. Now, that review video didn't go down that well with you guys, and I'm not too sure why. Everyone's beard is different, and we all have our different types of beards, whether it's a big beard or a short beard. And this is my beard. It's a lot different to everyone else's beard. If your beard's different, that's fine. I totally appreciate it. But what I'm about to review is something universal. I hope you enjoy. I was sent 2 products by Dadude. Now, they're a company based in London, and originally the founder of the company was from Sweden. Now, back to the story. They sent me 2 products, one of their own and a surprise oil to review, and I've been meaning to do this video for ages, so here it is. So my first product is the Dadude beard oil. Now, this comes in a really beautiful case, as you can see. I don't know how focused this is, and you open it and you get the bottle. Now, it's a little bit hard to get out, but once you've got it out, it's fine. It is a argan oil. It's a 50ml bottle, and it's a pipette style oil applicator, and this was sent for me to review, and I've been trying it on and off for the past 3-4 months since I got it. This sells on Amazon for about £12. When I started using it, it felt a little bit oily. It's got a really nice woody, argan-y kind of rustic smell to it, and I kind of like that. It's very kind of manly. I tried this at the start of the day, at the end of the day when I went to bed, so it could soak into my beard overnight, and I'd have a nice beard when I woke up. So that is the Dadude beard oil. Now, as I said, Dadude sent me a surprise beard oil to try out. I'd never even heard of this make before, or product, and it was a new type of oil to try out because I now have 3 in my collection, including these 2. So I wanted to try something new, see if it worked, see if I liked it, see if I didn't like it. The second oil that I got sent was Huntsman beard oil. This came in wrapped in like packing wrap. It didn't come in a fancy box or anything, so I was a little bit like, not amazing, but we'll try it out. So I started using this beard oil mainly every other day for about, I still use it actually, so for about 3-4 months, and I'm nearly running out of this. Now, this Huntsman oil comes with a pipette applicator, and it's a 30ml sized bottle, and it's just really nice. Now, it smells of forest. It's got pine, cedar, I think Moroccan cedar as well, kind of oils to it, and all the other essential oils that come with beard oil to help growth, shine and condition. So that is kind of a short review of both of them, but here's my conclusion for the 2 of them, and which I like better and which I like least, and why. Firstly, the Dadude beard oil. Now, I've tried the Dadude beard oil on and off since I got it in December, and I've given it about 3 or 4 attempts of a length of about 3 or 4 days, just to see how it is with my skin, how it is with my beard, and how I like it in general. And here's my review. I'm not that impressed with it. It's very oily. It kind of sits on your beard and doesn't sink in. So whenever I kept touching my beard, like I used it yesterday, and it just sat on my beard and I had really oily fingers all day. So for that purpose, I'm not liking it. The smells and the perfumes and oils that are in it are really good. The packaging, that's brilliant. But out of the two, I'd rate this the one I like least. Now the Huntsman beard oil. Now I used this, as I said, for quite a while, and I'm nearly out of it, which kind of says everything it needs to. I like it. It sinks into my skin. It's not oily. It keeps my beard in really, really good condition, and it doesn't affect my skin, and it doesn't react with me at all. The Dude beard oil also keeps my beard really itchy, and I found that with that beard oil I was itching a lot more than when I used the Huntsman beard oil. So there are the two beard oils side by side, one in packaging, one not. The only problem with this is that it leaks. It does leak because the closer doesn't close properly, but apart from that, it's wonderful. So let me know if you have these products, what you thought of these products, and if the dude you're watching, thank you for sending me these products, because it's given me new products to try out. Thank you for watching this video. If you have them, let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, I will see you soon. See you later.